So hi my dear Neet UG aspirants, this is Manas Kanduja. So students, in the given session we would talk about all the private medical colleges in the city of Mangalore under the score 280 to 440. Okay, what is their budget? Which deemed medical university of Mangalore charges 4.5 year fees, which charges 4 year fees, or which charges 5 year fees. Okay, there are some universities that charges 5 year fees while some charges just 4.5 year fees. Okay, so we are gonna discuss all those, and also we have mostly discussed about Bangalore as a city when we talk about medical colleges of Karnataka. When we apply from other state, now we first look for Bangalore. So along with Bangalore, there are further developed cities also, like Mangalore is also a developed city, and it also has number of private medical colleges which exceed private medical colleges in state. Like in some states there are just 2-3 medical colleges, while in Mangalore there are approx 8 private medical colleges. Okay, so we are going to discuss their cutoffs, their fee structure, and what we can expect in the current year to get MBBS seat here. Okay, so as you know, in Karnataka there are linguistic and religion minorities colleges. Okay, so linguistic like Tulu minority, Tamil minority, religion like Christian minority, Muslim minority. So among the 12 lakh fees private medical colleges in Mangalore, 4 are minority colleges. So AJ Institute Mangalore is a Tulu minority college. So if you belong to Tulu linguistic minority, then you would have a further lower cutoff, and thus these colleges have higher cutoff for non-minority candidates. As you can see, 605 is a higher cutoff when we are talking about private medical colleges. But because non-minority seats are low, so AJ Institute has had a 605 cutoff last year. This year we can accept it would be around 480 to 510. Then Father Muller, it's also in Mangalore. It is a Christian minority college. Its last year cutoff was 625, and we can expect that it would be around 500 to 530 this year. Okay. Now KVJ Mangalore. Now KVJ is in Sulya. Okay, now Mangalore city is a district headquarter of Dakshin Kannada. Dakshin Kannada is a district, and its district headquarter is in Mangalore. So KVJ Sulya, we consider it is in Sulya town, it's in Dakshin Kannada district, but yeah, Mangalore is closer to that college. Okay, not that far. Okay, so 559 was the last year cutoff. Okay, so you would see that KVJ Sulya is written, but yeah, it is not that far for Mangalore. Okay, 100 kilometer, approx 100 kilometer distance is there, so that is conveyable. Okay, then Srinivasa in Mangalore is a Tulu minority college. Last year it cutoff was 570 marks. This year we can expect it around 445 to 475 marks. Then Kananchor is a Muslim minority college. Again, these are all 12 lakh fees colleges. 566 last year Kananchor cutoffs. This year we can expect it around 435 to 465 for open candidates. These are cutoffs of open category. For a Karnataka candidate, this would be way smaller. इससे भी थोड़ी कम होगी. For Karnataka candidates, it would be lesser than the given numbers. It could be 5-10 marks lesser, but not like 15-20. 5-10 marks lesser would be there. But yeah, these are open category cutoffs. If you are not from Karnataka, you are applying for private medical colleges, the fees is 12 lakh for both GMP and open. But the cutoffs is little bit higher for open candidates, while it is lesser for GMP candidates. And if it is a minority college, then for minority students is way too lesser than GMP or open. Okay, so these 5 are 12 lakh fees colleges. Currently the fees is 12 lakh. There can be a 10% increment because 2023 we had around 11 lakh. In 2024 it is 12 lakh. So yeah, it could be 13 lakh this year, but at this moment these 5 medical colleges in Mangalore have 12 lakh fees per annum. Okay, now let us move to the deemed medical colleges. That means the 280 to 350 median students. Now these were 400 above, 430 above students. Now if you are scoring 280 to 370 marks, then this video is for you. 280, 400 lesser marks. So KMC Mangalore. Now what is good thing about KMC Mangalore? It charges fees for only 4 years. Manipal, all the colleges under Manipal institutes like KMC Manipal, Tata Jamshedpur, KMC Mangalore, all of them charges a 4-year fees, even though the total academic year for MBBS is 4.5. 1 year is internship, so they do not charge that half-year fees. So the last year fees is for tuition fees 0 for you. You do not have to pay half-year fees here. KMC Mangalore just charges 4-year fees. 618 was the last year cutoff, and this year we can expect it would be around 500 to 530. This and KMC Manipal I am not talking because it is not in Mangalore. KMC, we are talking about Mangalore colleges. KMC Manipal would be 630, 635 last year. Okay, so for that you require 520, 530 above, 530 to 560 marks. Okay, Yennepoya Mangalore 411. This year, if your score is above 280, then you can definitely get this college. And KS Hegde Mangalore 538 last year, 410 to 440. Okay, so these were the 8 medical colleges of Mangalore that I discussed. 3 are deemed medical colleges, 5 are private universities. One of them is in Sulya, which is considered in Dakshin Kannada district, and Bangalore is I told you the district headquarters. You might get confused now if you are outside of Karnataka, then you would see that it does not mention Mangalore, but yeah, KVJ Sulya is also considered near to Mangalore. Then KMC Mangalore charges a 4-year fees of 17.8 lakhs per annum. Yennepoya is very expensive college, that's why its cutoff is way too smaller. Okay, the fees is the reason that its cutoff is way too small. It charges fees of 4.5 years, its tuition fee is 23 lakh. Then KS Hegde tuition fee is 17.8 lakh. But since it charges 4.5 year fees, then it is the least expensive among all 3. Okay. Now moving ahead, if you want paid counseling, you can first have a single session with me. You can know that whether you have to apply in Karnataka, what is the budget. You are looking for 12 lakh colleges and you cannot get 12 lakh colleges, so why you should go for complete counseling? So you can book a paid session, a single session with me, which you can have initial doubt discussion, that where we have to apply, which states we should keep in our mind, whether deemed medical colleges are necessary for us, or we would just get 12 lakh fees college, whether we can only get colleges in Karnataka or we have to apply in other states like Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry also, or deemed medical colleges, we have to be focused on deemed medical colleges. So for all doubts, you can book a paid session through WhatsApp. I repeatedly say that the paid session can be booked only by texting through WhatsApp. Please do not call, because by texting now you can share more detail with me. It is easier to write. Okay, you can take your time while writing, but on call you just have 30 seconds to express yourself. I just give you 30 seconds when you are calling me for the first time, because there are multiple calls coming. But when you text now, you can text all the things taking your time. I would ream them accordingly, and thus I would provide a much better slot to you and much better session to you. Okay, so text me your detail, ask for a paid session. This number is not for doubts. Even if you just want to ask now, I am just a straightforward counselor. If you just want to ask that whether 12 lakh college is possible or not, just a yes or no, that also is through paid session only. I help you on YouTube, but when you come via WhatsApp, it is everything paid, because this is I'm helping as a all. Like I'm helping many candidates, but when you come as an individual, then that is through paid session only. Okay, so this was Manas Khanduja. If this video gives you appropriate idea of Mangalore medical colleges, since you are mostly focused in Bangalore, Mangalore is also a very good city and also has lots of private medical colleges. So like this video gives you an appropriate idea. Karnataka form would be once again open after the Neet UG result. You can apply in them. For deemed medical colleges, you have to come via All India Counseling. And you can join my Telegram channel for all the updates, which is Manas Khanduja 1430. And for booking a paid session, you need to text on the number. There is no need to call initially. Okay, and Instagram you can join for shorter version of this longer video. All the best for your Neet UG results.